Welcome to part 1 of the Ferris wheel series. Today we'll be putting together bag 1. There will be 4 parts, 1 for each bag, probably be 1 to 2 minutes long, and 1 will come out every Saturday. So I'll take all the plates out of the bag first. We won't be needing those till later. That's much more manageable. Alright, let's get started. I think one of these brown pieces might have gotten lost last time I built this, so I guess I was using this instead. It's covered up by green, so I guess it doesn't really matter anyway. So there. That is part 1 complete. I've built the entire base and the mechanical parts. The platform, which fits according to people are coming on or going off. So when the Ferris wheel is spinning around, this is curved so that it doesn't hit anything. And then when people are getting off, it makes little platforms here, here, and here for people to get off. And then we've also made the piece that spins it around, and these will connect to the wheel itself and make it spin around in a circle. Hopefully I'll have episode 2 done next week. See you guys then.